Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I am Breezy, and I'm so glad that you're here to join me today. Today I am going over some interesting Easter gifts and some other items that I've been working on for an upcoming expo. So come on and check it out. First of all, before I even get to the baskets that's in the front, I must show you something that I've been working on here. Okay. Yeah. So water bottles with the decals. Yeah. And this one says, remember when I asked for your opinion? Yeah, me neither. It's gonna make somebody's day, okay? It's gonna make somebody's day, and that is the point, right? So that's pretty. And this one, yes. And then I have these here that I'm gonna go ahead and put on here because I was doing it. And then after I finish this, then I'll get into these baskets back here because what? Too excited, too excited. It's getting close, guys. It is getting close. Very close. All right. My expo is, not my expo. The expo is the 29th and the 30th. So I put that right in the middle. You just put it on like that. Let me take this off the bottom here. And then rub it down real good. Make sure it's on there good. It's the 29th and the 30th at the convention center here. It's the indoor outdoor expo. Yeah, see, isn't that beautiful? Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. We're gonna do one more. This one is, I'll try to be nice if you'll try to be smarter. Now, the way I came up with doing these on a water bottle is I'm looking at what do I have in inventory already. I'm not buying anything else. What do I have right now in inventory? What can I be creative with right now? And I was looking around. I looked up and I saw these water bottles. It's a bunch of water bottles. And I said, you know what? Pamela, let me try. Let me go look. Let me see if these colors will go together. And they do. So, look at that. It's smooth. Okay? It's not going to come on. This is beautiful. And I give people an instruction card when I sell any kinds of cups or mugs or anything like that. Yes. So that was the first thing. And so the next thing is this. I'm going to show you these first. These little bags, they have in a pair of cozy socks, but they are the fluffy stuff, cotton candy socks, a little monkey, a shower steamer that I made, and these are soap dishes that I made, and a bar of soap that I made. Yes. So that's what's in this gift. So I'm gonna bow it up and it'll be done. So I have a few of those, and then also this one. This is a little LOL. So I just grabbed a bunch of LOL things and put it in there. Along with a stuffy and some snacks and a book. The Secret Garden. The little finger popper or fidget toy. Cup, some tissues, and this cute little stuffy. Can't wait to hear what you think. So that's one. And I'm gonna go back here. This one is a Disney princess. Yeah. What you think? So this one has the big beach towel, Disney princess beach towel, and a splasher toy for Disney princess. And there's a coloring book back here, crayons, markers, bubbles, that fish. And also there's some chalk down in here, and then lots of snacks. So tell me what you think. And next, I hope they all stay together like this with me lifting them up like this, because I taped them. I taped them. If you watch me, you know I tape well. So hopefully they work with me. Okay. This one, this is the back. So this one, or the front, it doesn't matter. Okay. This one has the foam pogo jumper and a helicopter, Fisher Price little helicopter toy, and a coloring book, and some candies, crackers, chalk, markers, just lots of good stuff in there. Okay. That's that one. And that one is the same. And then we have this one. It's the Peeps. Okay, so that is a scented activity set. And you see I put some candies in there, a mini Jello snack. That's a lip gloss. Then we have the puzzle, lip balm, some fingernail polish, and a little selfie. Yeah. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. Please tell me what you think about these. Am I on the right track? You think I'm on the right track? I have a lot going on. This is just the beginning, and I have done quite a bit, but I have a lot more to do, a lot more to accomplish before the 29th. I was just working on my to-do list because I have a lot to do, a whole lot. Okay. This morning I did all of my labels. I created all of my labels for all of my food products because I make food as well. I bake things, I make candy and all that. So I did all of those labels this morning and made my shopping list so I can make my buttercream and the rest of the toppings and things that I need for my mini cakes. And then I also have been doing a lot of wrapping. So the boxes that I was using previously, hold on one second. I want to show you something. All right, so I have these white plain boxes that have lids. You have to fold the boxes and put them together. And then they have the clear lids, right? I wrapped them. I wrapped them to make them look different. And I really like them. Yeah. Tell me what you think about this. That looks way better to me than just a plain white box. Okay. Yeah. So I did different ones. I hope you can see. It looks like there's a glare on there from my ring light. And then this one. And I didn't even tell you what was in here. This is an earring, a mask, a little stuffy. It's a teddy bear, lip gloss, cherry blossom, body cream, bath splash, and shower gel. Yeah, I can't see even with the glasses on. That is correct. that is correct. If that's what you were thinking, that is correct. Okay. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If there is something that you would like to see in particular that I have done or that I can do, please let me know and I will hop to it as soon as possible. Also, check out my other videos. I have some videos. Recently, I did some teen gifts and some other gifts for everyone. So go check them out. Until next time, bye.